Let's start cooking. Preheat cooking oil in a pan or wok. Once hot, add chopped onion. Then saute until translucent. Then add chopped garlic. Continue to saute for another 15 seconds. Then add chopped ginger. Just continue to saute until aromatic comes out. Then add chopped tomatoes. Continue to saute for another 15 seconds. After sautéing and stirring, add soybean paste. Then add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Add ground black pepper. Next, add 1 liter of water. Then put the lid over and let it come to a boil. Once boiled, mix it well. Then add chopped string beans. Add chopped radish. Add lady fingers or okra. Cover and let it boil. 3 minutes later, mix it well. Then add chopped eggplants. Add sinigang mix. Sinigang mix sa Sampalok is a popular Filipino seasoning mix. Then carefully place in the sliced milkfish. Add green chili. Cover and simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. 7 minutes later, gently mix well. Then adjust the flame setting to low. Then finalize the taste according to your preference. Next, add the mustard leaves. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later. At this point, our fish stew with miso is ready. It's ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. God bless us all.